guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new video again. In the previous video I have given a brief intro about what is generative AI. In this video I am going to speak about one of the most familiar tools of generative AI. It is about ChatGPT. Now I am going to tell you what is ChatGPT, what are the uses of ChatGPT, and how someone can use this ChatGPT on daily basis. Without any further delay, let's get into the topic. First, let me tell you what is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most evolving artificial intelligence program or AI chatbot that can understand and also respond to natural language. It is specially designed to converse with the humans and also provide answers to their questions. And this ChatGPT has been trained on a vast amount of data so that it can answer a wide range of questions on various topics. The main aim of this ChatGPT is to understand natural language inputs from the users and generate natural language response that are more relevant and informative. For your better understanding about the ChatGPT, let me tell you some of the use cases of ChatGPT on how someone can use this ChatGPT on the daily basis. The first use case of ChatGPT is that it acts as a customer service. How means, imagine, for example, imagine if you are facing an issue with your bank account, then you need to contact your customer service. Instead of waiting on hold to speak with the human, you can interact with the ChatGPT and it will be able to provide answers and provide the solution for your problem in real time. And the second use case is that it will help you in language learning. How means, if you are learning a new language, then use this ChatGPT to practice your conversation skills. This ChatGPT will help you in to improve your pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary by engaging in dialogue with you and by providing feedback for your response. The third use case is that it can also helps in creating content. How means, if you ask ChatGPT to create a short story or to summarize a news article, then it will provide accurate and best information that you have asked for. And the fourth and the best use case of ChatGPT, I can say that it acts as a personal assistant. How means, it helps you to schedule your time betterly and to set reminders, and it can answer your questions on various topics. If you, for example, if you ask the ChatGPT to remind you to pick your groceries at a particular time, then this ChatGPT will remind you at the exact time you have asked for. Overall, I can say that this ChatGPT is very useful on various fields. This will help you to make your work more easier and efficient in completing the task and response very effectively. Till now you have seen what are the use cases, advantages of ChatGPT, but there are also some of the disadvantages of ChatGPT, because this ChatGPT is a pre-trained model. It means it only consists of the information that has been trained to it. It only consists of the information up to 2021. If we ask anything about recent times, it won't give you any sufficient answer. And sometimes the information provided by the ChatGPT might not be 100% accurate. It might give you false information. So I hope you guys have understood what is ChatGPT, use cases and advantages, disadvantages of ChatGPT. Stay tuned for the next video. Until then, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.